Appointments are one-on-one services that are scheduled individually, not as a group of set or repeating events. In most cases, it is the client that requests the appointment and books it themselves for a date and time that suits them. Examples of appointments might be a certified personal trainer offering a one-on-one training session, a massage therapist giving a massage. Before an appointment can be scheduled, an appointment type must be created to define it. To create an appointment type, click the Setup tab on the top menu. Click Appointments on the side menu. A list of appointment type categories and appointment types are displayed. You must have an existing category to create an appointment type. If you do not have a category, or if you want to sort the appointment type under a category that does not exist, click Add Category. Within a category, click Add Service. Enter details about the appointment into the corresponding fields like the name, description, and class photo. You can also allow clients to select a staff member when booking, or use custom business policies for this appointment type. Click Save. Once an appointment type is created, ensure the staff members who will offer these services have their working hours set within the system, and that they are assigned to that appointment type and location. If not, clients will be unable to schedule this appointment with those staff members.